How to log out linked devices from WhatsApp account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out linked devices from WhatsApp account. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first step you will need to take is open up your WhatsApp. Make sure you're on your account. Then what you can do is head over to the settings on the bottom right. After you're there you'll find linked devices. You can simply tap on it. Then there you'll find the list of linked devices. You can tap on the device that you want to log out from and simply tap on log out from there. After you tap on it, your account will get logged out from that very device and you're good to go. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and don't forget to like. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.